If you're serious about production, you need to see machines run. That's why on February 11, we're opening the doors. No slide decks, no scripted sales pitches, just live CNC machines doing real work. In our Otinus showroom, you'll see the machines running under real conditions, the kind you deal with on your shop floor every day. Walk up, ask questions, check the parameters, decide for yourself if this makes sense for your operation. Our earlier open houses have proven one thing: when people see machines run live, decisions get easier. Good food included, because solid decisions shouldn't be rushed. So, we're doing it again. February 11, 10 a.m. 2 p.m. Otinus Showroom, 260 Madison Drive, number 100, Bloomingdale, Illinois. If you would like to take part in the next open house, please contact us at 630-302-1532 or email info@otinus.com. Otinus, we serve you.